still using matrices to solve word problems. Here we go. So, we've got 46 coins in a jar. Their value is $5.85. The number of nickels is equal to the other coins combined. I forgot to tell you what kind of coins they are. There are, let's see, there are quarters, dimes, and nickels in a jar, right? In the jar. Their value is $5.85, and the number of nickels is equal to the other coins combined. Now then, what we need to do, we must translate this into 3 equations with 3 unknowns. So, there are 46 coins in the jar, quarters, dimes, and nickels. We're going to say quarters plus dimes plus nickels equals 46, because that's the total number of coins in the jar. Now then, their value. You know the value of a quarter, right? The value of a quarter plus how many quarters there are. The value of a dime plus how many dimes there are. The value of a nickel plus that has to equal $5.85. Hey. And the number of nickels is equal to the other coins combined. So that means nickels equals Q plus D. Right? Well, there you go. But wait a minute. I've got 3 here, 3 here equals a number. Uh-oh, I need to have 3 here equals a number. What can I do? What should I do? I need to have them in the same order. So I have to subtract the Q and move it over here. So I'm going to have negative Q. And I have to subtract the D and move it over here because it has to be underneath there. Negative D. And then this is positive N, right? And if these are gone, if these are all gone, boop, boop, that's 0. Okay, so now we have 3 equations and 3 unknowns. So let's do it. This is 1, 1, 1. We can do that. So I'm going to edit my matrix. And my matrix is matrix A. And the top equation is going to be 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Right? And then the next one is 0.25, 0.10, and 0.05. No problem. And then the next one is negative 1, negative 1, positive 1. Aha! All right. Now then, we want to go back to our matrix, edit, down to matrix 2, right? So we plug it in. And matrix 2 is 46, 585, and 0. So it's a 3 by 1, 46, $5.85, and 0. Alrighty. Now then, remember the way you solve it is you do A inverse times B. Whoops. What did I do? A, matrix A, inverse, which is just the reciprocal key, times matrix B. Lo and behold, 16,723. What is that? Well, remember, 16,723, that's the number of quarters, the number of dimes, and the number of nickels. So, if you were answering this question, you would say, there are 16 quarters, 7 dimes, and 23 nickels. in the jar. Ta-da! We did it. We did it. And now you should be able to do today's homework. No problem. Bye.